What's more American than America? America, but with a 5-speed. Alright guys, quick disclaimer before we start this video. This is a very old video. As you can see, the beginning of it, I am at my old house. This is my new house now, so this is a very old video. The reason why I haven't posted this video in a while is because we're still kind of messing with it. So I didn't want to put it out there until I fixed it, but I figure I'll go ahead and show you guys the process and the update of the Foxbody since you haven't seen it in a while. So at the end of the video, we're going to actually explain to you what is going on with the Foxbody. So let's go ahead and enjoy this video, put this 5-speed transmission in the Foxbody and go from there. So let's go ahead and cue the video. Oh man guys, what is going on today? D Creator here, back with another video. Waking up at the butt crack of dawn just to install my new manual transmission. This is a T5 transmission coming from a 2001 V6 Mustang. And we're gonna put it in the Foxbody. It's about time that I have something that has a manual in it. All my other cars have automatic, so I feel like this is a good time to go ahead and do that. Plus, as some of you may know, I'm actually thinking about drifting it, so that's gonna be fun. But let me go ahead and get everything I need for as the transmission and all that stuff put together so I can put it in the car. I'm gonna go ahead, head up to work, and we're gonna go ahead and install it. So I see you guys then. All right guys, so we at work. I didn't really wanna stand in the garage and, you know, talk on the camera because that's gonna be kind of weird for people here because they don't really understand me doing YouTube, but I can show you around real quick. So we got the Foxbody right here. Got the transmission over here with the bell housing. I gotta cut the exhaust. And here's all the stuff you need. And I actually forgot the clutch fork, so I'm either gonna have to buy one or borrow a car from up here and take it to my house to go get one real quick. But let's go ahead and install this transmission. So, I almost got the trans out. It's separated. But I forgot about the harness not being right there. So, I have to get this huge ladder just to unplug it from right there. At least we have this ladder. That's all I gotta say.
Many hours later.
It's so loud just in here because this is still open. I know. Woo. All right, now the hard part, actually driving this.
Have fun, man.
All right.
Go bang this here.
Don't, what? Oh, you riding?
Might as well.
All right, you want to record? Sure. I need to do something about these brakes.
Huh?
I need to do something about these brakes.
They're sketchy.
Whoa, they're sketchy. They're just single piston. It's just, yeah.
They're a little sketchy.
It's already recorded.
Cool.
And I need to adjust everything.
Yeah. Just the moves though.
What's that? You hear it?
I do. Maybe so. Downshift.
So we got to work out some kinks. So we're gonna have to do that real quick. We probably gotta change out the ECU. We're gonna flash it. I know y'all can't see me. There you go. And we're gonna figure out, but at least it shifts, it drives, it goes to every gear, so we're good on that. But let's see what the ECU gonna do. So let's do that. All right, guys. So we got the Foxbody running now, and it's drivable. I figured out the reason why it was doing that was because it was actually hitting the governor. And when it hits the governor, it was showing me that I was doing 110, which is also showing the computer that I was doing 110, so it was cutting fuel. So we unplugged the speed sensor. Now everything is running. Now my coworkers are looking at me because I'm talking on the camera, but but all right, guys, we about to go ahead and start driving it now and see what it can do.
Yeah, yeah. You good? Not bad at all.
Alright guys, as you can see, it runs pretty good. It's noisy because you can still see, you know, the transmission is literally like right there. I can touch it. So I just gotta cover all that up, and then of course it's all gutted out, so you're gonna hear a lot of noise. For the most part, the manual transmission is in. Let's go ahead and put that handbrake in. Alright guys, so now we are back into the present. So pretty much what's going on is I'm having this weird vibration with my transmission. I'm not sure what it is. I replaced mounts, motor mounts, transmission mounts, disconnected everything and retightened it back up, try to realign everything, try to pinpoint it. It all started right after I replaced the U-joint for the drive shafts. And I replaced it 3 different times. I even put the old one back in it because at the end of that video, it drove pretty good. Now I have a crazy vibration and I have no clue where it's coming from. So if you guys could help me out and help me figure out what it could possibly be, I will have the Foxbody back up and running so we can enjoy the content with it. Like I said in the video, we're planning on making it into a drift car. I'm still trying to do that. I don't know, there's a lot of stuff going on through my head. A lot of people saying that it might be the actual transmission. A lot of people said that it might be the input shaft. I have no idea, because it's just, why all of a sudden now? Why is it doing it now? We're just gonna have to figure it out. But right now it's at my wife's grandparents' shop. If you have any advice for me or anything like that, please let me know. Not 100% sure about T5 transmissions like that. I just know that they're pretty durable. Please like, comment, subscribe, and check out the description below. We at 826 as of right now, 826 subscribers, trying to get to 1,000 pretty quick, so help me out with that. Share with your friends, and we see you guys on the next video. All right.